Hi guys, before we jump in, I just want to mention that this particular product, the price does change on it often. So be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in. Hey guys, Tyler here, and in today's video, we're taking a look at this nail tool kit. Now, in this video, we're going to talk a little bit about these tools and help you know what you can expect when you get them. Now, you'll notice a wide variety of different tools and brushes here we have in this kit. I wanted to first off show you, this is kind of the gold set right here. You can see kind of the gold handles here. They have quite a variety of different size brushes up here, and again, nice, thick, dense brushes there. And I do appreciate that a lot of these brushes actually came with these little covered tubes on them in the shipping process to kind of protect them. Now this kit right here, we have very thin little black handles here, and you'll notice that we have some really wide brushes there, as well as some really thin and very fine brushes as well. Now right here we have the kind of dot tool set here. You can see at the ends they have these kind of metal balls on them to go ahead and use for whatever you might need to go ahead and make small minor adjustments. They actually have different size of those metal balls at the end. And then this right here, last but not least, we have this really nice fine brush set right there, very, very thin brush tip there, and then a few accessories. But overall, this is a great nail tool kit, and I would highly recommend it. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.